If your Christmas lights aren't turning on, it's possible that a fuse has burned out and needs to be replaced. Incandescent and LED Christmas light strings both have fuses located in a tiny compartment behind a sliding door inside the plug. Some plugs will have 2 active fuses, while others may hold an active fuse on one side of the compartment and a spare fuse on the other. You can use a small screwdriver or a ballpoint pen to slide this door open and see the fuses inside. When the door is open, use the edge of a small screwdriver, pen, or even a paper clip to gently pop the fuse up out of the compartment. Now you should be able to pull the fuse out with your fingers once it's loose, but if you're having trouble, needle nose pliers or tweezers can help. When the fuses are out of the plug, you'll see a glass cylinder housed between 2 metal contacts. Inside this glass is a thin wire. If the glass looks cloudy or burnt, or if the wire is no longer visible, this means the fuse has burnt out and needs to be replaced. Now most strings will have a small bag attached to them which contains replacement fuses, but if you need more, you can buy fuses online and at some home improvement stores. Set the new fuse inside the compartment and then gently press the fuse into place with the same tool you used to pry out the old fuses. When the new fuses are in place, slide the compartment door closed and plug in your light string to see if it works. For more tips on how to fix Christmas lights, visit our Troubleshooting String Lights guide.